Google Pixel Watch will supposedly be unveiled on Thursday, and sticking to Google's tradition, we have major leaks about its design interface and partnership with Fitbit, which Google also own. According to the report, the watch will be able to track heart rate, sports activities, and offer native support for maps and wallets. It will also bring integration with Photos, allowing images stored there to be used as wallpapers. However, it will work with a Google account, meaning if you use it as a fitness tracking app, probably have to merge accounts. Along with Google Photos for Wear OS, Google has also updated the Play Store listing for the Google Home and personal safety apps for Wear OS. Screenshots shared in the Google Home listing give us another look at the smart home device controls that Google announced at I/O this May. Similarly, screenshots in a personal safety app listing show the emergency column UI on Wear OS devices. While the Play Store listing for these Wear OS apps are already, updates are not yet available for download on Wear OS 3 devices. This leads us to believe that they will likely debut with the Pixel Watch later this week. At the moment, we've not seen any evidence to suggest that these features would be exclusive to the Pixel Watch, but we'll have to wait until the launch event to know. Finally, the actual pricing of Google Pixel Watch is out, including the specification of Pixel Watch. The pricing for the board US market and European market is out, where we will see £339 for the Wi-Fi variant and €379 for the Wi-Fi model, but with the LTE Pixel Watch will cost you €419. And as for US pricing, Wi-Fi variants of Pixel Watch will cost you $349 and LTE variant will cost you $399. Now listed this much price is because one reason the Fitbit bands from Google range from $200 to $300, so putting this much price will justify the price of both Fitbit bands and upcoming Google Pixel Watch. Google has revealed what the Pixel Watch looks like in the image up top. This consists of a spherical screen, a crown that is probably rotatable, and a stainless steel recycled construction. Additionally, the business offers bands that may be easily customized. Finally, we know what shades the wearable will come in because a US carrier listed them as gray, black, and gold. Since then, another source has claimed it will be available in tones of chalk obsidian and charcoal. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.